Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you a mass income machines review. And you may have found out about this product, maybe got it in your inbox, wondering if this product is legitimate or not. We're going to get into that in just a minute. I went ahead and purchased the product. I'm going to give you a walkthrough and let you know all about it. But if this is your first time to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home, and how to have freedom and choices to do what you love. And if you want to learn more about those topics, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos, which right now is on a daily basis. And if you're returning to the channel, thank you guys. I appreciate your support. With that being said, let's go ahead and get into the review here. Again, it's the Mass Income Machines Review. This is a product on Clickbank right here, Mass Income Machines. And it looks like it's brand new because I just found out about it today, although I found there were some reviews on it several years ago, so I don't know if this is a updated version. But anyway, the spokespersons, and they say at the bottom of the website here that it's actually their pen names for purposes of privacy and delivery. We have used pen names of Jacob, Allen, and John Forbes on this website. The cost, the basic cost is $37, which is what I got. I'll show you in a minute. There's 3 upsells. The first one is $97 for the inner circle. Upsell 2 is how to build a list of rabid buyers. Upsell 3, they said, is a hidden world where top online marketers hang out, discuss traffic, and do deals. So that has to do with traffic. And I just wrote out what the modules were. The first one is how to find a profitable niche. Second one is how to set up a website. Third module, how to create a product to sell. Fourth module is how to do copywriting. And they tell you too that you don't have to do this yourself. You can, of course, outsource it. Module 5 is list building. Module 6 is payment integration with your website. And then Module 7 is what they find to be the best traffic sources. So let me just show you what it looks like here. It's not a real pretty website, but I actually was pretty impressed with the information because they have it in video form, and then they have it where you can read it. And the videos are very high quality, and it's John Forbes that's talking in the videos. And I feel like it's easy to follow. So you can see there's the 8 modules there. So I would say, as far as Clickbank products go, of all the ones, I do a lot of product reviews on this site. Of all the ones that I've reviewed, this is one of the 5 that I would say would be worth the money for $37, because if you really want to learn how to create your own products and sell those online, this would be a good basic course for that. The introduction here, he talks about all the different ways to make money online through e-commerce, affiliate marketing, but he feels as though this is the best way to make money, is to create your own product. So I feel like it's the pros would be that it's low cost, $37. You get your money back if you don't like it, and then it's comprehensive, I think, as far as being able to create your own product and get a website up, get payment integrated, and then how to drive traffic to it. So I felt like that was comprehensive. I would say the cons of this are that there's an unrealistic income claim on the sales page, which at the top here you can make up to $42,000 a month. That could be true, but for someone starting out, I think that's pretty unrealistic. And they do show some screenshots in here kind of enticing you to buy the product, thinking that you're going to make that kind of money. And another thing I thought was a bit of a disconnect is in the sales video, they say that you're going to come in and actually be with a group of people, and you all benefit from when one person makes a sale. So I don't really understand that. It sounded like, you know, you would sell something and then other people would make a profit off of that as well. So I don't really understand how that fits into what the actual product is here. So there's a bit of a disconnect there. And then lack of support at the basic level, because, okay, here's your website here. I don't even see that there's a support anywhere here. You know, generally there's a support button, tab. I think, of course, when you get the upsell, the inner circle, I don't know if that's like a Facebook group or something like that, but just at the basic level here, I don't see that there's any support. There's not a Facebook group, and I feel like that's really important when you are trying to do something like this on your own. You're going to have questions, and so you need somebody to answer those questions. So, but all in all, I think that it's a fairly decent product as far as the information in there is comprehensive. So that's my Mass Income Machines review, and you can make a decision on whether you want to buy this product or not. I'm not promoting it. But again, if you're new to the channel and you want to learn more about how to make money online, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and if you guys have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comments below this video. And if you want to learn my #1 recommendation for making money online, that'll be the first link in the description below this video. You can go ahead and check that out. With that being said, this is Karen Mero signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.